Okay, Tom, this is Adam's new key ignition switch, and this is his ESL here, electronic steering lock. There's his old key, okay? As you can see, when I put the old key in, nothing happens, of course. We knew that already. This lock is supposed to move in, but nothing happens. So, new key, same thing. Nothing happens, can't turn it. So I programmed an emulator. This one's not going to be any good. Take this out. This is our new emulator. You can see we've got a little red light inside. And when we put the old key in, nothing happens. Red light still there. Can't turn the ignition switch. Put the new key in, red light turns green. And now we can turn the ignition switch on. Okay. Old key, red light, can't turn the ignition switch. All right. So it was the ESL. The ESL is no good, and your old key is no good. So this is the emulator that will start the car.